everyone, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today we are visiting a place that's not only stunningly beautiful but also filled with peaceful spiritual energy. Yes, if you guessed it right, we are visiting Pyramid Valley International, which is closer to Namma, Bengaluru. So, if you ask me, it was around 60 kilometers from my place and it took almost 2 hours to reach this place. I have heard that it's a place where you can connect with your inner self and find a sense of peace within. Now, let's see whether this place offers the same. From here, it's just 2 kilometers, but because of monsoon, this patch of road was little bumpy, so be bit careful while driving this lane. Finally, we reached our destination and guys, just have a closer look of this entire premises. It's completely surrounded by lush green trees, creepers and grass. The moment I entered this place, it made me feel calmer in just few seconds after battling infinite hours of city's traffic and honking. To my surprise, they also had dining facility called as Nitya Annadan Seva, which is entirely free. We had sambar, curd rice and cabbage ki sabzi, which was tasty too.
Hi.
Hi! Look who is there in the frame. Shanu and Dia. She is also somewhere here. Let me treat them first with chocolates.
তুলে নাও কত তুমি নেবে আরেকটা নেবে আরেকটা নেবে ঠিক আলাদা নি নাও ইকুয়াল হয়ে যাবে দুজনে সে থ্যাংক ইউ জোরে তোমার তোমার দেখো দিচ্ছে থ্যাংক ইউ বলো এটা একটা হামি ভালো করে একটু হামি দিল এটা হামি কিসি দাও কিসি বাবা কিসি ভালো করে আওয়াজ হতে হবে কিসি চকলেট দিয়েছে তোমাকে কিসি দাও ऐसा कौन किसी देता है वो हमें देता है वो बार की टच करे ना
And here comes Dia.
No. নিয়ে নাও দুটো নিয়ে নাও দুটোই
হবে না ঠিক আছে টেস্টটা ভালো হলে হবে
আর একটা নিয়ে নাও
ওইটা কুকুরটা দেখছে
এই কি নেওয়া হচ্ছে থ্যাংক ইউ বলেছো থ্যাংক ইউ বলে দাও দিয়া
বলে থ্যাংক ইউ বলেছে
থ্যাংক ইউ বলে দাও
থ্যাংক ইউ বলো রেখে দাও
And right at the heart of this retreat is a stunning and serene Buddha statue silently watching over all who arrive here. As you walk toward the meditation pyramid, the first thing that catches your eye is this beautiful statue of Lord Buddha. This statue instantly brings a sense of calm. It's not just a sculpture, it feels like a presence. Now you will see the massive meditation pyramid. Though nobody is allowed to film anything inside, but this part was the best experience I had here. This is one of the largest meditation pyramids in the world and it's built in perfect alignment with ancient pyramid geometry. They say meditating inside a pyramid amplifies energy. Honestly, I could feel it. You can choose to sit anywhere, but the center called the King's Chamber is believed to have the highest energy. Pyramid Valley gave me something I didn't know I needed, and that was stillness. If you're feeling overwhelmed, anxious, or just want to reconnect with yourself, I highly recommend visiting this place. Now comes the hanging bridge. This is just next to pyramid. It's perfect blend of adventure and inner reflection, just like the rest of this beautiful place. If you're planning to visit, then don't miss this and click some beautiful pictures with your loved ones.
ও বুঝতে পারছে না বোধহয় ও। বুঝতে পেরেছে ও দেখছে অ্যাকচুয়ালি জলগুলো দেখ শানু শানু হাই হাই শানু সে হাই 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 দিয়া পিস আউট হাই
While most people come here for meditation and spirituality, did you know you can also go boating here? Let's go check it out now. This is the beautiful lake inside Pyramid Valley, surrounded by trees, birds, and total silence. It's like nature's own spa. And the best part, you can enjoy kayaking and paddle boating right here.
বাই বাই
বাই বাবু তো মাথায় দেখা যাচ্ছে আমার বরের এ কি কোথায় চলে যাচ্ছে বাই বাই এই যে দিকে তাকাও বাই বাই একই ব্যাপার ঠিক আছে নরমালি कांटे ग्रुप कम फास्ट खल्लास खत्म फिनिश
So, whether you are a beginner or someone who's been meditating for years, Pyramid Valley welcomes everyone. The mission here is to make meditation accessible for all, and that too free. And with this, we came to the end of this video. Now, if you like this video, drop a like, share it with your travel buddies, and subscribe for more peaceful adventures. Until next time, stay healthy, stay hearty, till we meet again. Bye.